This is the hardware package that comes with the amplifier. So here's the thing. We got assuming these two are power and ground. I guess these are for, I'm not really sure. Then you got 4 of these little blade ones. None of these are big enough to go on the 8-gauge cable. These would be the only ones. And you got these little guys and some zip ties. But, and if we were using these, there's no way that can fit in there. Okay. And although these little forky guys will fit in here, you can't get the 8-gauge cable in that. So there's that. So this is the 8-gauge power wire. It would need to go into this. There is no way that's even going to remotely fit in there. I mean, this is what they want me to use, but this won't fit on the amplifier. I guess we're going to have to go old school. So we're going to have to do it this way. Just rear that up and shove it in here. Alright. The amount of ground wire they gave me to do this is tiny. It's I guess it's supposed to be 3 foot. It's too short for my needs, so I'm going to use some of this power wire for ground.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
Many bass drop like a boom 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 boom.
Living out with Andy, kicking it with Andy. Express subs, tearing up the block. Cookie muscle legs, never get to stop. Hanging
a digital space. Hanging with our friends, talking about bass.
Catch the vibes, yeah, I'm sinking in. Subwoofer rumble, feel it from within. Heartbeat sync to that heavy sound. In the bass waves, my solace is found. Feel the pulse in my veins, let it surge. Every thumping drop, cleansing my urge. Lost in rhythm, floating on a cloud. In a low-end symphony, I shout aloud. Baseline stomping, yeah, it's healing. Feels like calm in the storm. Every drop is like it's speaking. No one's keeping me warm. Energy flows through the rhythm. Every beat fixes.
And if you guys are wondering about my setup, I've got two North Stars down here. They are the AGM 80s. They're on a eBay battery charger, which is maintaining right now. It's a 3-amp charger, and they're powering this head unit, which is this guy. There'll be a link to this under the video as well. I do recommend the head unit. The head unit is really good, especially for the price. So this I recommend for sure. So that head unit is powering some crappy speakers that I have up here. Then sending a signal over to the amplifier, which is the YANKA SKP-D12M 1200W, 400 watt, supposedly AB amplifier. That is sending however much power to these YANKA 12s. Yeah, So that's the setup. That's what's going on right now. All right, guys, here's the facts. If you use my link down below to go to Amazon and pick this guy up, I get a kickback from that. Here's the thing. Honestly, it sounds okay. It's not bad. The subwoofers and the little 400 watt amplifier are a pretty good match for each other. You know, it does the thing. But for close to 300 bucks, I just can't recommend it. The box is nice. It is a stitched box. It's very well done. It's carpeted. It's very clean. It's solidly built. It's a nice box. The speakers are the bottom of the level 12s. Very bottom of the barrel 12s. They do what they're supposed to do with this system, but you can't grow those any. There's nowhere for them to go. The amplifier is a bottom of the barrel 400 watt amplifier. Literally, once you replace these speakers, this amplifier has to go. They all go together. We're left with a box. The box is not worth 300 bucks. The wiring kit is subpar. It does the job, but just barely. So if you install this system, it's going to all work together quite well. But the moment that you try to start upgrading things, you got to upgrade everything. The wiring kit won't be any good. It's all going to be waste because there's nothing. It won't be able to handle enough power to do anything besides this. Right? These subwoofers are going to go to the trash, to the curb, because they can't take any more power than what this amp can provide. The amplifier is going to get kicked to the curb because it's a 400 watt AB cheap amp. It's just not going to be good for anything but this. All you're going to be left with is a decent pair of RCA cables and a box. That's it. Everything else is going to be replaced. So I don't recommend it for anybody. But if you're someone who just wants this and you don't plan on ever going anything above this, it's not a bad deal. Okay? If you're not going to go above this, these 212s, so 400 watts is all you want, all you're ever going to want, then it's not a bad deal. Because you are getting a wiring kit that will do this job. You're getting an amplifier that'll power these subs. You're getting a box that handles these subs. It sounds pretty good. All of the stuff together works well. If you never intend to change it, then you're probably okay. Anyway, you decide. I gave you my honest opinion across the board. If you decide to purchase it, use my link down below so I get some credit for it. But it is what it is. Anyway, there you go.